This is the dry season. This is the Hamatan or the winter season, especially if you are in this part of the world, if you're in Africa or Nigeria to be precise. A lot of us are beginning to, get drier, like our skin is becoming very, very drier. And there is what I call seasonal skincare. That is knowing the products that you need to include or take out of your skincare routine in every season is very, very important. Now, on this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys body oils that you need in order to prevent your skin from getting drier. Whether you are a dry skin person or you have a normal skin or you have a combination skin, knowing the right oil to use on your skin in this season is very, very important. And sometimes your body lotions might not be hydrating enough. You need something that's going to help you lock in moisture. You need something that's going to help to give your skin extra layer of hydration. And that is what I'm going to be doing on this video. I'm going to be sharing with you guys oils that you can afford, oils that you can get that are going to help you do the job perfectly well. Now, without taking much of your time, let us go straight into it. The first oil I'm going to be recommending for you guys is the Glow Booster oil. This oil has been making a lot of waves recently on TikTok, on Instagram. This oil is going to glow your skin, it's also going to brighten your skin, and it's also going to help to keep your skin well hydrated. Guys, in case you're looking for something that is going to help you glow your skin, brighten your skin at the same time while still giving you that hydration, then this Glow Booster oil is a perfect choice for you. The number 2 on the list is
the Aveeno Skin Relief Body Oil. This body oil is for
extreme dry skin people. If you have a very stubborn dry skin, this Aveeno oil is going to help you do the magic. Just make sure that you get this oil. This oil is a little bit on the high side, but trust me, it is worth every penny. If you want to avoid any form of dryness or cracks on your skin, this is the perfect choice for you. The number 3 on the list is the Dr. Teals Moisturizing Body Oil. This oil contains a blend of 3 essential oil. It contains grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, and almond oil. This 3 combination is going to help to brighten your skin, glow your skin, and if you're looking forward to prevent any form of ashiness, flakiness on your skin, this Dr. Teals Moisturizing Body Oil is a perfect choice for you. Another good thing about this oil is you cannot just apply it on your skin alone. You can also put few drops in your bathing water before you take your bath, or you can run few drops in the bathtub and use it to shower. It's going to help to moisturize your skin and also going to help to lock in moisture, especially in this dry season. The next oil I'm going to be recommending for you guys is the Vesselin B3, which is the niacinamide oil. This is what I'm currently using, guys. This oil is very good. It has a very thick consistency, and if you have a very dry skin, I will advise you to go with this oil. It's going to help you lock in moisture. It's also going to help to plump your skin and brighten your skin at the same time. This oil has 2 types. There is one that they sell a little bit more affordable, but the original is sold for about 11 to 12,000 naira. So this particular one is the original one. Make sure you get the original, even though some people claim that that one that they sell for 7 to 8,000 naira is still serving the purpose. So any of them that you can afford, go ahead and get it and use this oil in this dry season. It's going to help you. The most important thing is it is giving you what you need, which is the hydration. So just get the one that you can afford and you are good to go. Another very good oil I'm going to be recommending for you guys is the Pears baby oil. Guys, this oil has been saving lives for years. I've been using this oil for some time now before I decided to switch to this particular Vesselin B3 oil. The Pears baby oil is very, very good, and it is also affordable. You can get that oil for I think 3 to 2,500 naira. Yeah, that oil is going to help to moisturize your skin. It gives your skin that soft baby feeling after using it. Those of you that have been using that oil, let me know in the comment section how it has been. The only thing about that oil is it is not going to brighten you. Yeah, so if you're looking forward to a brightening oil, that oil is not for you. But if you are just looking for something that is going to hydrate your skin, plump your skin and keep your skin well moisturized, then you should go ahead and try that oil in this dry season. It's going to help you do the job perfectly well. Another oil, another baby oil that I want to be talking about in this video, of course, is my darling Cussons Baby Oil. Guys, you guys are seeing this oil. Like, I've been using this oil for some time now. I was pairing it together with the Pears baby oil before I decided to switch to this Vesselin B3 oil recently. But you see this one, this is my goat. Like, I use this every season of the year. Even if I add another oil to my body routine, this one must be there. Like, it is a must that this oil has to be with me. This oil contains almond oil in it. It is very, very, very good. It's going to help to moisturize your skin, just that it might not be very, very moisturizing or hydrating enough for people that have extreme dry skin. So in some cases, that is why I want you to watch this video to the end. At the end of this video, for those of you that have extremely dry skin and you've tried every type of oil and it's not working for you, I'm going to be showing you guys a trick that you can use that is going to help you stay hydrated all day. In case you're still yet to like this video, please kindly like this video if you're yet to, so that YouTube can recommend it to other people that will find this helpful. Now, the next oil we're going to be talking about is the Disaar oil. This oil comes in different variants. You can get this particular one. This is the Collagen. You can get either the turmeric or the carrot, any one of your choice. But this Collagen is the one I have as part of my skincare product. These Disaar brands are very, very affordable. They are also going to help to brighten your skin if you're looking forward to little brightening effect. The Disaar oils are very, very perfect choice for you. They are also going to help you hydrate your skin and also keep your skin well moisturized. Another good oil you can try, guys, is the Dr. Davey B3 oil. In case the Vesselin is a little bit on the high side for you, go for the Dr. Davey B3 oil. It is also going to give you almost the same result. It's also going to help to hydrate your skin and also keep your skin supple and well moisturized. It's also going to help to plump your skin and keep your skin smooth all day. The Dr. Rashel Vitamin C Repair Oil. Guys, this oil is also very, very hydrating and it's also a repair oil. If you're struggling with compromised skin barrier or any form of ashiness on your skin, this is a perfect choice for you. It's also going to help you prevent all those cracks on the skin and all those lines or dryness that we normally have on the skin during this dry season. If you're looking for a body oil that hydrates and repair the skin at the same time, then go for this Dr. Rashel Vitamin C Repair Body Oil. Another good oil I want to be recommending for you guys is the Disaar Vitamin C Oil. This particular one that has a blue cap. Yeah, I spoke about those small ones, those ones that comes in 100 mils earlier. But you see this particular one, if you have a dry skin, go and get this oil, guys. It is going to help you. It's going to help to remove any form of dryness or flakiness on the skin. It's also going to help to glow your skin. And last on the list, guys, like, this video will not be complete without mentioning the Neutrogena body oil. This oil is a little bit on the high side, but trust me, it is worth every penny. If you can afford this oil, go ahead and get it. This oil is very good. It's going to help to brighten your skin and also going to help to improve skin elasticity because it contains collagen in it. It's also going to help to soften your skin, and if you want to prevent or remove every form of flakiness or ashiness on the skin, then go with this oil. This oil is going to help you do the job perfectly well. Knowing the right body lotion to pair these oils with in this dry season is also a very important factor. So I made a video on very good hydrating and moisturizing body lotions that is perfect for this dry season, and I'll be leaving the link to that video in the description box. So make sure you watch this video so that you'll be able to select the right body lotion to pair them with. Another important thing you should put into consideration in this dry season is to make sure that you are not using any harsh products on your skin, especially your bar soaps. Make sure you switch to hydrating bar soaps. Make sure you switch to hydrating body washes. Avoid all those body washes, bar soap or shower gels that will strip your skin of its natural moisture. What you need now is what will keep your skin moisturized, like what will help you retain moisture, not what will help you take out moisture. So you have to switch or tweak your skincare routine a little bit now. Once the dry season or the harmattan or winter season, depending on the part of the world that you are or what people call it, now you have to, tweak it a little bit so that it will suit the weather condition. Once we are out of this dry season or the harmattan season, you can now go back to your regular normal skincare routine. If you made it to this point, thank you so much for watching. And if you're yet to like this video, please guys, kindly like this video. Give this video a very huge thumbs up, and let me know in the comment section which of the oils you're going to be trying or which one you're currently trying. And sorry, I forgot to mention, I mentioned that I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use your body oils if you want to retain moisture, especially for those that have intense dry skin. Now the trick is you're going to get one body oil that is lightweight, just like this Cussons Baby oil, and then you're going to get a body oil that has this thick consistency. So these are the two body oils that I normally use in this particular season, this dry season. Using only this alone can't do the job for me, and using only this doesn't even do the job for me. This is too thick and this is too kind of runny. So what I do is I mix the both together. Once you come out of the shower, apply your body lotion first on a damp skin, then take a little bit of this in your hand, and then you add this particular one that has this consistency a little bit in your hand, and then you apply on your skin. Trust me, your skin is going to stay hydrated. Another pro tip that I'll be giving you guys is get rose water. Get hydrating rose water for your body in this season. It's going to help you. After the season is over, you can go back to your normal routine. But as it is now, if you're a very dry skin girl, you want to avoid cracks. Sometimes when your skin gets drier, it even gives this itching sensation on the skin. So you will not want your skin to get irritated. So guys, that is it, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're yet to, and see you guys in our next. Bye.